خانم مستری منم توی این جعبه یه سری چیزا گذاشته و من برای اینا انگلیس بگم. اگه همشون انگلیس گفتن درست بود مامانم واسم جایزه لبوبو گرفته. خب و بریم که آموزش کنیم. آماده خانم؟ Let's go! Oh, plug! Plug? What is this? Wow, a notebook! Wow, a house! What is that? Oh, a painting! Oh, a car! A robot! Fish. The sunglasses. Oh, scissor. Rock, paper, scissor. Sunglass. Is house. A girl. Pen. A pet crummy. The bag. Oh, and phone. It's not Sura. It's shaded for Leboobo. It's shaded for Leboobo. من نمیدونم چیه. وای. Oh, this is a side of this. Look, this is card for Leboobo. This is my Leboobo. Miss me, it says your best friend. What, your best friend? Your best friend is named Leboobo. It's your best friend. Bye bye. Bye bye.